Hello, this is Nancy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. This past couple of weeks, I've been working in my craft area, aka my happy place. This is the before I started tearing everything apart and getting how to say making room for the how can you say expansion, remodel. I don't know what you want to call it. We had to remove some of the plywood from under the floor to repair it, and also some drywall. And this is what my craft area looked like. It had no room basically. So here's the old plywood that we had to rip up, and some tile. And then the next picture is how small my area was. It's packed up and tidy. And this is the new plywood that we put down. And then you see this plywood, the pegboard back here, we had to take everything off. My husband moved it to the left side of the window, and we're adding some shelves here, nice, more sturdier than before. And then my pegboard is going to be holding a lot of my stuff that I have on my website. We removed the window AC that was broken. And here's I'm using a Dollar Tree placemat to do some painting. And then we had to remove some of the, how you call it, drywall to repair it. And then we're gonna start watching the video in a second.
I'm gonna show you why I've been MIA for almost 2 weeks. Been working on a redo of my craft area, which is, as you can see, it's right next to my kitchen. It used to be my dining room. I have to go around the corner. We did remove a window AC that was broken, and now you can see my window. And another reason you can see my window is because right here I had that pegboard, and now I have actual bookshelves, or yeah, bookshelves. I have 5 foot sections. Those will probably get filled up with supplies in the future once I finish going through all my boxes. I still have to go through, I think, 7 or 8 more boxes, but I'll be purging and getting rid of some stuff. And there goes my tumbling tower blocks. I have a whole bunch now. And then most of this has stayed the same. There's my tripod on my ceiling holding my florals. Don't have many of those, but I will in the future if I need them. I don't use a lot of florals in my projects. And then my little handle there is holding my double-sided tape. Then you've seen the little drawers that I had all my little miniatures in. And here's my front-facing camera, which I move right there. And then I got the top-facing camera there. Then here's my work surface with some new wallpaper tiles from Dollar Tree. The drawers stayed the same down there. And there's my website, sponsored by Higher Nail Media. Check it out. There's a lot of stuff on there for sale. And then over here, we had to redo the flooring there. So that's done. And more how you say, behind the scenes, there was a leak under that window, so the drywall back there was damaged. So my husband replaced that down there. You can't see it, but it's fixed. So these 2 bookcases, there's my washer and dryer, were actually about here, right after the window. And back there was another bookcase that had a bunch of other stuff that wasn't really accessible because I had just packed it. I had this. Let me move these boxes. This is my polyfill that I just got from my amigurumi pops that I'm making. But those are from Michael's. I took 2 of the drawers out so that way they could fit under there. And then a lot of that container there has some of my mini tier tray decor. And then over there, those bins are full of fabric. They used to be on the back bookcase that I couldn't get to. You got my pasta machine and some other stuff there. This changed a little bit, but not too much. Here's my lighted magnifying glass that I use sometimes when I crochet. There's my 6x6 paper. And then some of these I use for my junk journal. There's some of my diamond paintings and paint my numbers up there. And then my Christmas tree and my Valentine tree, which you can use at any time because it doesn't. You can use pink for any time, right? And then here's my pegboard. I have supplies up there, wood supplies. I have my glitter and my paint. These are from Hippie Crafter. They don't fit on my holder that I had made before for my paints because they're a little bit wider. So I had to have them here with a little riser behind it. Again, I got inspired by Indiana Jones with her riser and her paints. And these are the same. They haven't changed, but they're easier to get to because there's nothing in front to obstruct. And let's move this to the side here. Then we got my clamp, my vise right here. I can move it anywhere I need to. And then those I don't use what's inside most of the time. I used it last when I was making masks a few years ago, so it's just sitting there now. I may reorganize that for stuff that I'm actually using. And then some of this stuff up here is what I have on my website for sale. The wreaths, where are they? The wreaths right there. These bottle caps, the paracord bracelets, some scrunchies. I'll be adding this dog collar soon. Where is it? There. And then some other stuff. And then these are the coasters that I have for sale on the website. And these are the hats that I have for sale on the website. So I'll link all that information down below. And there's more paints. And behind here are the more, it's more paints, but it's just extras because I have yellow over here. So there's some extra stuff back there. Let's see what else. Here is all my my dies and my silicone stamps. And then here are my card bases for my cards when I make cards. And over here are my Ryobi tools. Here's my jigsaw. Here's my crocodile, the big bite. Got my glue gun, my sander, and my drill. And this is a little envelope that I have on my wood that I'm working on my miniature kitchen. So I'm working on that on Monday to make the chandelier for the front there. So up here is just some random supplies, you know. I use these for some staging when I'm taking photos. I finally found the metal ribbon at Dollar Tree. Only 2 years it took me. And then right here I screwed the magnetic bar from Harbor Freight onto one of the shelves to hold all my okay, I decided to stop. So for my jewelry making or my whatever I'm making with wire and then back there, those are alcohol wipe containers that I wrap with Dollar Tree contact paper, and then I label them like that one's glue sticks. And then those are some of my thimbles that I collect, and I use Dollar Tree stickers or decals to put under the shelves. you can't really tell there, but it makes it pretty, I think. And then I have one up there. I want to get another one for the other side. And then we've got some, like I said earlier, some of this is going to be changing depending on what's in those bins that I have in my bedroom. So this it's hard to tell with the light in the background there, but some of that might change. And this shelf that this apothecary cabinet is on is actually 10 feet long, so it goes all the way across, and it goes behind the bookcase. Let's see if I can get behind the bookcase so you can see the stuff back there. I don't use often, so okay, I got some big gift bags up there. So there's no, and then my laminator, which, like I said, I don't use that often. So, and then I got some more supplies on top, and then I put some hooks here to hang some more things, and who knows, I may add some more hooks there. So this is the view from this way. So not much has changed, but it's more open, because once we moved the AC from that window, this table went about 4 inches that way. So the space in between the fridge and the table is much wider. And this is my, like I said, my polyfill. The box below is for my 5,000 giveaway, subscriber giveaway. So that's getting filled with supplies. So let's slide this over. There we go. And those drawers are the same. And then under the table, it's a little more organized. So right over here is, you know, the tall stuff, like my cutting mat, my glass mat too. I just got a glass mat for when I'm doing polymer clay. And then just random supplies down there. Let's see, on the Lazy Susan, I reorganized it a little bit because I got these ink pads on clearance from Hobby Lobby, so I needed a spot for them. So I labeled them, and they're right there along with my little minis. And then let's see what else I changed here. All my brushes are there. I slid this section over so I can add my little printer that I got from Temu. So with this, I'm going to be making more labels for all my things here. And then back here is all my some paper embellishments, some, you know, brads, stickers, some magnets for my dies. And then we'll see what else. Oh, we have the UV resin that I'm going to start working on more. I got some macrame cord there. Like I said, up there it's going to change a bit. And all my tumbling tower blocks. More to come on that. And here's all my punch boards and cutting boards and paper cutters. And then you turn around. There's my website. LittleTreasuresByNancy.com. But this is about where I am right now. Like I said, a lot of it is going to change in the coming weeks, depending on what I have in those bins that is left over. And there's my giant peep, also on my website. Any custom orders, just send me a message at info@littletreasuresbynancy.com. I do take custom orders. And that's a custom order I'm working on now. It's one of those crochet. What do we call them online? I'll show you real quick. Let's go to the website. Why not? We're right here, right? So you go here. It takes a little while to load. One thing I don't like is the reflection of the window behind me. You see it? when I'm on the computer. But it's still thinking. I don't know why. It shouldn't be that slow anymore. There we go. We got the crochet lifestyle dolls. We have two of them on here, the Harry Potter and the Wizard Kid and the lovable chubby pirate. So I make those, plus I also make custom ones, so hit me up. So I think we have, oh yeah, I put all those boxes up there are things that I don't get to often, but they're easy to get to, like the paracord and buttons, and like over there the crochet ornaments that I'm working on for at the end of the year and stuff like that. But I'm liking it so far. There's a lot more workspace, so I can have, you know, several projects working.
The end of the clip got cut off. What I wanted to say was there's more workspace to lay out more projects, so they won't be on top of each other. So until next time, be brave, be strong, and create some more workspace.